Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be talking about how to avoid getting your account suspended or banned under the Redbubble. What are some measures or what are the things that you could do to avoid getting suspended, or if your one Redbubble account has been suspended, and how to avoid your second Redbubble account getting suspended as well. So we're going to be talking about some things in this video. So let's get straight with that. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing to our channel and hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. So when we do so, you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources. The link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com. Check out all the freebies that we have. Make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding more each month. And it contains a full commercial license, so you can very well use it for making your print-on-demand designs. So first thing first, the first tip that I very well have for you guys is probably to avoid using the copyright or trademark designs or keywords or title or the description in your design. So avoid that thing because it's really important. Although there are so many people selling the trademark and copyright under the Redbubble, their shop is working well, their Redbubble shop haven't been suspended, but this is one of the leading reasons of getting account shut down or Redbubble shop suspended. So avoid uploading the artworks or designs that are copyright, trademark. Avoid using the title, tag and description in your designs. The second thing that you could do is don't mislead the platform. Follow the platform rules. Don't steal any works or don't do the things that are not correlated with the platform, like spamming the tags or the title or doing all those stuffs. Don't do it guys. It might get your account suspended or shut down. So really don't do it because the accounts have been suspended due to that, and some of bean account is still there. So maybe eventually later on down the road it might get suspended as well. So the third tip I want to talk about is avoid getting into the trap of getting the quick sales, because we on the YouTube or on the social media or even onto the blog articles, we see that people getting the quick sales, making the money in just the first week of starting with the Redbubble shop. It might be possible or may not be possible depending on the unique situation. But guys, don't follow the trap of getting the quick sales, because when we have in our mind that I need to get my quick sales, I'm gonna get my first sale fast, then you might get into the route of this thing that is not correlated to the platform, that is misusing the platform or not using the platform according to their rules. So don't get into that trap of getting the quick sales, which is really important, because I feel like so many people are saying again and again, I'm not getting the sales. What should I do? Should I do this? Should I do that? And I feel like people are in a mindset of getting the quick sales as much as they can, as soon as possible as they can, and they might run into that route where they get their account suspended forever. So don't do it. Don't follow that mindset of getting the quick sales. Take it as a passive income route. Take it as a business. It will going to take some time to. So be prepared for that. Give it some time. Take your time and threshold, upload as much design as possible, and don't expect to get the quick sales or quick results. You're gonna get the results, sure, you're gonna get it, but don't follow the trap of that. It's really important for me to talk over here because often people go into that trap and they might do all that stuff which is not related to the platform, and in the later on down the road they might get their account suspended. So don't feel bad if you're not getting it, and don't go into that trap. You are here to make a business. You're not here to make a quick money. So have that proper mindset, because it will really going to help you in a long run to make some good amount of serious amount of money from your own print-on-demand business. So have that perspective. Another point I want to consider over here, which is really important, because it happened personally with me, because I was having a 2 Redbubble shop, and one of the Redbubble shop was suspended because I uploaded 5 designs on day 1. And I don't know what happened to that system, or maybe my designs were caught up into their bot system or in their system, something like that. And they caught my designs and they suddenly banned my one account. And my one account was banned, and due to that, my second account also get banned. Because when my account get banned, I got an email from the Redbubble stating that my account has been banned. And then I thought that, should I check my other account as well, like it's working or it's also banned? That was the major mistake I did. What I did, I opened up my second account from the same laptop, from the same IP address, from the same details, from the same browser history, and eventually my second Redbubble account suspended as well because of the first one. So if your one Redbubble account has been suspended, don't log in into your second Redbubble account from the same IP address, from the same laptop, mobile, from the same browser history. Don't log in into. What you could do differently over here, I see that some of the people download or have the VPN. So what they do, they use the other mobiles, or they use the different system from which they log into that account by their VPN service, so that the Redbubble system or the Redbubble website don't got that. It's a very important thing to be considered here, because I feel like these platforms have built in a platform strategy which is like that. If your one account is suspended, if they see that one account is suspended and they suspend all the accounts that is linked to that one account, okay, it's because of their system. You can just very well read out their help. First account was banned and second was banned. In relation to that, I did the research and I came across that Redbubble has a system. If they see that one account is being banned, all the link account will be banned too. So make sure you don't link your accounts together. You're operating from a different system, different browser, different settings. Everything is different. It's not similar to the previous account which has been banned. If it is similar, then you might get your second account banned as well. Second account from different browser, from different systems, so that Redbubble system don't caught up your account and you won't get your second account suspended. Because all these big platforms have kind of like a strategy, have kind of like a platform where they have a bots which pick up one system or which pick up one account. If they see something is going illegal according to their bot, which may not be true in some cases, they suspend that one account and they check all the accounts linked to that account, and they see that if that person is logging into that linked account, they'll eventually ban the other account as well. So it's their system, guys. So make sure you just surpass their system to get your second account very well going and getting sealed. Another point I'm going to talk about, guys, all these are third-party platforms. Don't rely too much on these third-party platforms, or even if you want to rely, have a multiple platform strategy. Don't just rely on the Redbubble only to get the sales from that. Print on demand shop on other platform as well. There are so many different platforms which you can get started on. The Raven itself are free to get started with the Teepublic, Jazzle, Society 6, display you need to get an approval, so leave out the display, designed by humans, the Spreadshirt, the Cafe Press. There are so many different platforms out there, so have a 3 to 4 platforms up and running well for you, so that one account is suspended, you're getting the sales from that. So don't just depend on the one, because this is a business, you're not doing a hobby. Have a business mindset. Don't just think it's a hobby mindset. Even if you're making a $1, or even if you're making a $10 or $100 from your Redbubble shop, no matter how much you are earning, that doesn't depend on whether you are doing as a business or as a hobby. No, having a business mindset will really going to help you in the longer run to get sales and to have a consistent income and to increase your income from that, because it's not a hobby. So treat it as a business and have a multiple platform strategy. And if you really want to make a serious amount of money, then shop with the Shopify or any website builder out there like Wix, Weebly, or Squarespace, and connect with the Printful and Printify and Gooden and make your own print-on-demand shop on your website and have your customers and all. So these are some things that I could tell you to avoid getting your Redbubble account suspended, and also if it happens, what could you do differently to still make money from your print-on-demand options. Another question I got like few weeks back only was similar to this one, is only that if I'm using my PayPal email address in one Redbubble account, I can use in my second Redbubble account or not. Answer to this question is yes and no. It depends. You can use the same email address in both of your Redbubble accounts, but if your one Redbubble account has been suspended, please don't use the same PayPal email address in your second Redbubble account, because if they see that any of the thing is similar or related to that account that has been suspended in the second account, they might get your second account suspended as well without any reason. So don't use the same PayPal email address. You can make another PayPal email or of your business, or maybe some of your family members or some other persons, some of your friends, and use that PayPal email address in your second Redbubble shop, so that if one shop is suspended, second won't get suspended. So I hope that this video is really helpful to you, useful to you. Do let me know in the comment section below. If you want more such video, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.